Good morning students. Today I will teach you grammar. As in previous video, I told you about parts of speech. But today I will teach you about the classification of nouns, pronouns, adjectives and adverbs. Students, in classification of noun, if you see your book, there are four has been given: common noun, proper noun, abstract noun and collective noun. But students, in classification of noun, one more is there, that is material noun. In this way, five parts here. One by one, let's see common noun. Common noun is the noun that is commonly used, common name of person, place or thing. If you say city, city is common name for all city. Book is the common name for all books. And building is the name of commonly used for all kinds of buildings. River is also known as commonly word. It is common word for all kinds of river. But if you make it particular name of person, place or thing, if you are going to mention, that is known as proper noun. Just like if you say city is common noun, it is commonly used. But particular name, if Gazipur you are saying, then it is proper noun. The city is common noun or Gazipur is proper noun. In the same way, just like river is common noun. River word is commonly used for all rivers. But if you say Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, so then this will be proper noun. So this is only difference between proper noun and common noun. The common name of person, place or thing known as common noun, like city, just like river, man, boy, etc. Book. And in particular name you are going to mention, that is known as proper noun, like Ganga, like Mohan, Gazipur, Lucknow, etc. Now see abstract noun. Students, abstract noun is the noun that cannot be touched, cannot be seen, only it is felt, only you can feel it. Just like sweetness. If you eat sweet, the sweet you can see, but where is sweetness you cannot see, you can only feel it. The sweetness, hardness, honesty, dishonesty, courage, all these things are abstract noun that you cannot touch, only you can feel it. And collective noun indicates collection, the group of person, place. Just like if you say army is the collection of soldiers, group of soldiers, so it is collective noun, that indicates group. Class is collective noun because a class is made by the group of students. Another you can take example, crowd word is common, collective noun, because in crowd many people are there is a group of people. So in this way, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun you have seen. Material noun is also a noun that indicates materials, just like rice, just like gold, silver, etc. Now see pronouns. See your book, all of you will find that there are 7 type of pronouns given in your book. First is given personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, and one more of quantity. The students here see about personal pronoun indicates. Personal pronoun indicates person, first person, second person or third person. There are 3 persons. Personal pronoun indicates first person, just like I, we. Second person, just like you. Third person, just like he, she, they, etc. It also. These are personal pronouns. And second, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun, just like mine, his, hers, mine, his, hers, ours, yours. Just like this pen is mine. If you say this pen is mine is possessive pronoun. This house is yours. Yours is possessive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun, just like myself, yourself, himself, themselves, herself, etc. Just like if you say he does his work himself over is reflexive pronoun. Now see demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun are 4: this, that, these, those. These four are demonstrative pronoun. This is used for singular number noun if it is nearby. This is indicates now, just like this is my, that is your house, like that. Singular number, for singular number this, that is you, plural number these are, those are used. These are my friends, etc. So this will be demonstrative pronoun. And interrogative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, that makes question: what, which, who, whom. What food do you like, just like, or which pen do you want? These are making question. These pronouns are used to make question. They are known as interrogative. Relative pronoun, that, which, who, whom. If you say just like this is the pen which, students, what and which. These pronouns are used for things, and who, whom, whose are used for person. Just like whose son has got the first prize. So whose word is used for person. Which, here given, this is the pen which, this is the boy who has taken my pen. So who is a relative pronoun. This is the pen which I purchased, is a relative pronoun. So which and what, these two pronouns are used for things, and who and whom, these pronouns are used for person. Pronoun of quantity, that indicates quantity, just like many, much, some, few, all, both, each, etc. Adjective, that's it. There are given 5 type of adjective of quality. Adjective of, first adjective of quality, that shows quality, just like small, big, bad, good, sweet, clever, etc. These are the qualities. Next, demonstrative adjective. This, that, these, those. This book, that book. These children, those trees. These are used as demonstrative adjective. Possessive adjective. My, your, his, her, our. Their, just like my pen, your house, his book, etc. These are the possessive adjective. Interrogative adjective, just like which, what, whose, which pen is yours, which pen, what food, and which boy, like that. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity indicates the quantity, just like both, some, many, much, few, each, every. Many people, some people, every student, like that. These words are adjective of quantity. In this way, students, you have studied about the classification of noun, pronoun, and adjective. In next video, I will tell you about the classification of adverb. You will revise it at your home. Thank you.